Let's draw a stair in a U-shape, and our goal is to attach it in this compartment. I need 16 risers to reach the next floor, so I draw the first 8. This time I'm using the location line in the center, then I start the second run of risers aligned with the end of the first run. Then drag the mouse down to draw the stairs vertically in this direction. As you can see, this is a simple way to draw a stair in a U-shape with the landing. This is important. With the sketch mode active, it's still possible to move the entire stair, but make sure you select it all. And as you can see, it's a bit hard to attach it to the walls by just dragging it from a random point. However, the move command is a great tool to attach each run to the wall. You will see. Click on move, select the element, press enter, choose this endpoint at a corner and move the run towards the wall. With this method, you can notice that the run width doesn't change. Then do exactly the same for the second run, and when I finish, just click in a blank space. To attach the landing, I can use the Align tool, select the reference line, then this entity to attach it to the wall. I can exit the sketch mode and I get a message that the railing is not continuous. This is common to happen when I draw a U-shaped stair. If you zoom a bit, this is the struggling point. In a 3D view, you can see better its appearance. There is a little gap here, and in the other side there is a small jump from the landing to the ramp. So, the way to solve this is increasing the landing. I am going to double click in the stair to get back to the sketch mode. Then I select the landing, and if I click and hold this little arrow, you can see that I am able to extend the landing by dragging down with the mouse, and I can either put the distance that is indicating here or type a specific value. Let's put 0.3, and with that I will have enough room. Then I go to the other side and repeat the process. Click on the tick to confirm the changes and exit the sketch mode. Now I no longer have that issue. And in the 3D view, you can see the railing being continuous and it looks also more beautiful.